Hello, this is Dr. Rahman, and I am on the beach in Florida, in Sarasota, in America, and I am inspired to make a video for you about absolute divine unity. This concept is life-changing, and it is so healing to be able to tap into this awareness, even if only for a little while. So I wanted to talk to you about what absolute divine unity really means and how you can start to experience it in your life. So I looked up on YouTube, incidentally, this term just to have more understanding of what's out there, and funnily enough, my video on it actually came up because I have another video where I talked about this. But I think there were one or two others. It's not a very well-known topic. It's actually an esoteric, mystical secret. So I want to help you. So let's get into it. Absolute divine unity. What does that mean? Absolute divine unity is a term which is a mystical understanding, and many of the mystics have come to this. If you've read the poetry of Rumi or Rabia or Hafiz, these are Eastern mystics. Saint Teresa of Avila, a mystical Christian writer, a lot of them understand that there's one divine reality, which is based on this underlying love of this creative power, which is the only real power in the universe. So a lot of us experience what is called duality. We live in a reality where there are good and bad people, there is good and bad that can happen to one, circumstances can be negative and positive, and there's a lot of duality even within the self. You know, I'm bad for this reason, I'm good for this reason. And that is a state that has its attributes. Like there is a positive side to that, to being able to see good and bad and duality, but there is the option of another state. And so I wanted to present it to you just so that you know that you could tune into a different kind of awareness. And the awareness of unity is a consciousness that sometimes people sort of in a cliche way will say, oh, we're all one, or love is the only reality, we are love is real, and we are all connected, things like that, which people usually resonate with that to some degree, but there are few who actually live that reality, or who can really tune into the deeper consciousness, the feeling of that, and the awareness of that. So let's think a little bit about what that would actually mean. So if there is only one reality, if absolute divine unity, meaning there's only divinity and nothing else, if that were true, that would mean that you're divine, that you're a divine being. It would mean that you are connected to that one power, that creative power that created everything, these waves that we're looking at, that created you and everyone around you. That one power is you, and it's them too. Isn't that interesting? Isn't that beautiful? That it's not just you, but it's everything else too. That absolute divine unity is all inclusive. So even in the protagonist and the antagonist, that meaning the one who's the hero and the villain, there is divinity, because for there to be a story, we need all of it. And so from that perspective, we can appreciate that divinity has created a beautiful spectrum of colors and experiences and places and different climates, just everything in variety for us. We have created vast and different experiences for ourselves to grow. But at the heart of it is that awareness that it's all part of this one universal love experience that is unfolding itself and experiencing itself, and that is you and that is me. And that divine unity is that's really a soothing concept, because then when somebody is loving to you, you're not attached to their love necessarily anymore, because you can say, hey, this is part of that love that I am. And when somebody seems to be not doing what you would find pleasant, you can say, hey, this is part of that divine love, that unity, and it is somehow turning me away from something or turning me towards something else. And there's a beauty in it, and I can find that. I can look for the positive, look for the way that this is working out for me, and I can enjoy it. So, to be able to appreciate the world, one can really limit one's sort of negative judgments and assessments by seeing the harmony underlying every circumstance, every interaction with people. There is something that's working out, in the timing may be working in your favor. The the qualities that you're being exposed to may be teaching you something, or they may be encouraging growth within yourself. There is so much to be gained from this duality that we appear to see, and there's even more that can be gained if we are able to glimpse it through the lens of unity. So I may make more videos on this topic or explain more about it, but for now, I hope that gave you some kind of glimpse into an alternate consciousness option for yourself. And I hope you have a really great rest of your day. I'll be enjoying the sun here. And give me all the comments you want about this. Write them below. Thumbs up, subscribe, whatever you want. I'd love to hear what your opinion is and your experience of absolute divine unity. And please share this with anyone who you think could benefit. Much love and many blessings. Take care.